In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in under 2 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a spreadsheet of people into your GoHighLevel sub-account quickly and accurately, without creating a mess of duplicates. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location where you want the contacts to live. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the switcher at the top so you don't import into the wrong place. Next, head to the Contacts area and click Import. Importing lets you create new contact records and, depending on your settings and data, update existing ones. Many teams use email or phone as the unique identifier for matching, so having at least one of those in your file helps prevent duplicates. A quick tip: keep a backup of your original spreadsheet so you can revert if needed. You'll now be asked to choose what you're importing. Select Contacts as the object and click Next. This simply tells the system that every row in your file represents a person record and should be stored in the contacts database, not in another object type. Now upload your file and click Next. GoHighLevel accepts only CSV files, so if your data is in Excel or Google Sheets, export it as a .csv first. It's best if your file includes a clear header row, with column names like first name, last name, email, phone, and any tags or custom fields you plan to use. You'll see the field mapping screen. Mapping is crucial because it tells GoHighLevel exactly where each column should go. Match first name to first name, email to email, and so on. If you have a column you don't need, set it to ignore to keep your database clean. For phone numbers, use a consistent format, and for tags, a single column with comma-separated values works well. Accurate mapping now saves you from cleanup later. Click Next to proceed. This moves you to the final review before the import begins. You'll be prompted to check a confirmation box. This typically indicates you have permission to store and contact the people you're importing and that you'll follow applicable communication rules. Make sure your list is permission-based. Finally, click Start Bulk Import. The process may take a little while if your list is large, so let it finish. Keep the tab open, and once complete, refresh contacts to see your new records. If something looks off, adjust your CSV and rerun the import for a clean result. That's it. Fast, simple, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.